Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to change language on FIFA 23. The first thing that you'll need to do is just to tap on the settings or the gear icon. Okay, so just tap on this one here, and then right after that, you'll just have to tap on the settings. Okay, this one. And then tap on the game settings. Okay, that's right. Now, when you tap on this one here, to your left or to your right, you'll be able to change the language. So for example, we are going to use this language. Okay, so in order to save that, just tap on OK. Okay, so that's it. That's how you can change the language on FIFA 23. So don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.